Yo, Doc, this is why most lead generation tactics in the men's health space actually fail. And here's actually what works. Let's start off with what doesn't work. What doesn't work is sending somebody immediately to an appointment page to have them book an appointment. Well, number one, they've never talked to you. They don't know much about you. And they don't really have any reason to really do it minus the small little interest that they had originally. They're more than likely not going to do that. On the top end, you might get 2%. Here's how you avoid that. You push them to an easy form, giving them some information, and then once they opt in with their name, email, and phone number, then you push them to an appointment page. And that appointment page is actually what's going to be able to help sell them later on. Because now they're seeing a little more information, you already have their information on the back end, so that you can actually then do follow-up campaigns, send them emails, texts, voicemails, ideally you call them too. Let them know about these things, because then they're going to understand more of what you do, why you do it, and how you can help them. You want to sell them on the dream outcome. The dream outcome is, hey, I'm going to help you do XYZ. They're going to realize that and be like, they're going to be a lot more likely to then come on board and be a patient at your clinic. Hopefully that helps. Have a great day.